Passive income streams for beginners. How to make money and retire early. Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're over 50 and looking for ways to make money, retire early, or just make life a bit easier, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to talk about something that can truly change your life, passive income. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is passive income? Well, simply put, passive income is money you earn without actively working for it all the time. It's income that keeps flowing in, even while you're doing something else, like enjoying your favorite hobby or spending time with your family. Many of us have spent our lives working hard, especially in physically demanding jobs. As we age, it can become challenging to keep up with the same pace. Passive income is a fantastic way to ease that burden and ensure that we have a steady stream of money coming in, even if we're not working as much. Today, we're going to dive deep into what passive income is, why it's so valuable, and how you can start building it, even if you're starting from scratch. Passive income can come from various sources. For example, you might earn dividends from stocks, receive rental income from property, or make money from an online business. The key is that once you've set up these income streams, they require little to no daily effort to maintain. But how is passive income different from regular income? Regular income, or active income, is what most of us are familiar with. It's the money you earn from a job or a business that requires your active involvement. Think of a typical 9-to-5 job or a small business where you're the main worker. If you don't work, you don't get paid. Passive income, on the other hand, is different. It's the money that continues to flow in, even if you're not actively working. Imagine it as a plant you nurture. Once it's grown and established, it bears fruit for years to come with minimal care. That's what we're aiming for with passive income, to create financial security and freedom without the need for constant, strenuous effort. For many people over 50, especially those who have been doing physical labor for most of their lives, passive income can be a game changer. It allows you to earn money without the strain of physical work, which means you can work less, retire earlier, or simply enjoy a better quality of life. Imagine having the freedom to choose whether you want to work or not. Imagine waking up each day knowing that no matter what, you have money coming in. That's the power of passive income. It's not just about having more money, it's about having more choices, more freedom, and more peace of mind. Today, we're going to explore several passive income options that are particularly well-suited for beginners, especially those of us who are over 50. These options don't require a lot of technical knowledge or upfront investment, making them perfect for anyone looking to ease into the world of passive income. Building passive income streams doesn't have to be complicated or require a lot of money up front. It can be as simple as investing in dividend-paying stocks, renting out a spare room, or even creating a blog or YouTube channel about something you love. Let's take a closer look at each of these opportunities, starting with one of the most common and accessible forms of passive income, dividend stocks. Let's go over some of the most popular passive income options that are perfect for beginners, especially if you're over 50 and looking for ways to reduce the amount of physical work you do. We're going to be looking at these 4 ideas: dividend stocks, rental income, online businesses, royalties, and licensing. 1. Dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. It's like earning a little extra income just for holding on to your investment. Dividends are typically paid out quarterly, meaning 4 times a year. The great thing about dividend stocks is that they can provide a reliable income stream, especially if you invest in companies with a strong track record of paying and increasing dividends over time. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get started with dividend stocks? The good news is, it's easier than ever. With online brokerage accounts, you can start investing with as little as $100. The key is to do your research and look for well-established companies that have a history of steady dividend payments. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble are known for their reliable dividends. Another important term to understand is dividend yield. This is a financial ratio that shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its stock price. For example, if a company's stock is priced at $100 and it pays a $4 dividend annually, its dividend yield is 4%. Higher yields can be attractive, but it's essential to consider the company's overall health and dividend history to ensure it's sustainable. Investing in dividend stocks can be a fantastic way to start building passive income, especially for those who are new to investing. Over time, as you reinvest your dividends and watch your investments grow, you'll be building a solid foundation for your financial future. 2. Rental income. If you have a spare room or property, you can rent it out and make a steady income. And if managing a property feels like too much, there are property management companies that can handle everything for you. Rental income can be a fantastic way to generate passive income, especially if you live in a desirable area or have space that you're not fully utilizing. Renting out a room in your home on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo can be an easy way to start. You don't need to own a separate property. You just need to make your space comfortable and welcoming for guests. Another option is to rent out an entire property if you have one. This could be a vacation home, a condo, or even a second home that you're not using full-time. While managing a rental property requires some effort, like handling maintenance, screening tenants, and collecting rent, the potential for a steady monthly income can make it worthwhile. One thing to consider is the local rental market and property values. In some areas, short-term rentals can be more lucrative, while in others, long-term rentals might be a better option. It's also important to factor in the costs of property management, taxes, and maintenance when calculating your potential income. Rental income can also be relatively passive if you choose to hire a property manager. They can handle everything from finding and screening tenants to dealing with maintenance issues, allowing you to enjoy the benefits without the hassle. Tips for successful rental income. 1. Research the market. 2. Invest in good maintenance. 3. Consider hiring a property manager. Remember, the goal is to make this as hands-off as possible so you can enjoy the benefits of passive income without the stress of being a full-time landlord. 3. Online businesses. This could be anything from an e-commerce store to a blog or YouTube channel. With platforms like Etsy or Shopify, it's easier than ever to turn a hobby into a source of income. An online business can be incredibly rewarding because it allows you to share your passions and skills with a global audience. For example, if you're good at crafting, you can sell handmade goods on Etsy. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can start a blog or a YouTube channel to share your knowledge. Starting an online business does require some initial effort to set up, but once it's up and running, it can generate income with minimal ongoing work. For example, a blog can earn money through ads and affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral links. An online store can be an excellent choice for those who enjoy creating or curating products. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage finds, or even digital products like ebooks or printables, there's a market out there for just about anything. To start an online store, you'll need to choose a platform like Shopify, Etsy, or even Amazon. Each platform has its pros and cons, so it's important to research which one aligns best with your goals. You'll also need to think about how you'll market your products and attract customers, which can be done through social media, search engine optimization, SEO, or paid advertising. Remember, the key to success with an online business is consistency and finding a niche that you're passionate about. This will not only make the work enjoyable, but also increase your chances of attracting a loyal audience. Creating an online business is a great way to build passive income because once you've created the content or listed your products, the sales can continue to roll in without you having to be constantly involved. Plus, as you build your online presence, you can explore additional revenue streams like sponsored content or membership programs. 4. Royalties and licensing. And finally, let's talk about royalties. If you've ever thought about writing a book, composing music, or creating art, you can earn royalties whenever someone buys your work. It's a great way to earn from your creativity. Royalties can come from a variety of creative endeavors. For example, if you've always dreamed of writing a book, now is the time. Self-publishing has made it easier than ever to get your work out there. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to publish your book at little to no cost, and you earn royalties on every sale. Music is another great example. If you play an instrument or have a knack for composing, you can earn royalties from your songs every time they're streamed or purchased online. Sites like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube are great platforms to showcase your music to the world. Art and photography can also generate royalties. For example, if you're a talented photographer or graphic designer, you can license your images to stock photo websites. Every time someone downloads your work, you earn a royalty. The same goes for graphic designs or illustrations. Sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Redbubble are great places to start. Royalties are a wonderful form of passive income because once your work is created and published, it can continue to generate income for years to come with minimal ongoing effort. It's about leveraging your talents and interests into something that can bring you financial rewards over time. While building a portfolio of creative works can take time, the passive income potential is substantial. Plus, it's a fantastic way to keep your mind active and engaged, which is incredibly important as we age. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite activities without worrying about where your next paycheck will come from. Passive income provides that freedom and peace of mind. It's about having the flexibility to spend your time doing what you love, whether that's pursuing a passion project, spending more time with family, or simply relaxing and enjoying life. Building passive income takes time and effort, especially in the beginning, but the rewards are well worth it. Not only can it help you retire earlier or reduce the amount of physical work you have to do, but it can also give you the financial security to enjoy life on your terms. The most important thing to remember is that it's never too late to start. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income, prepare for retirement, or simply make life a bit easier, passive income can be a powerful tool. And with the right approach, anyone can build it. Key takeaways. 1. Start small. 2. Stay consistent. 3. Diversify your income streams. 4. Enjoy the journey. Start small, stay consistent, and diversify your income streams to reduce risk and increase stability. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Building passive income is not just about the destination. It's about creating a path to financial freedom that allows you to live life on your own terms. Subscribe for more tips on building passive income. So, if you're ready to learn more about how to create passive income and improve your financial future, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's never too late to start building your passive income. See you next time.